Hey guys, you are welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing CPAGrip lead generation strategy. How you can use CPA marketing, or in the other hand, I want to walk you through how CPA marketing works in practical and educational way. I will explain how leads are generated and how beginner can understand the CPA grip platform step by step. This video is strictly for learning and informational purposes only. There are no guarantee. Earning and a result always depends effort, skill, and proper strategy. So, if you want to understand the CPA marketing concept clearly and build your knowledge the right way, make sure to watch this video to the end. Before we start, I want to use this medium to enable to tell you to please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions, then just need to come to this channel. Don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. So the next thing we need to do right now is when you come to this CPA Grip platform, then you are going to see that on your left hand side, you are going to see the series of information on this dashboard. So what you need to do right now, you click offer tools. When you click offer tools, you are going to see my offer. When you click my offers, you are going to come to this platform, and this platform is going to look like this to you. Then you are going to see country, you are going to see category, show statistics. So in today's video, we are going to choose an offer that is not in Nigeria. And this offer is just mobile installed. So here we are going to change this where we are having Nigeria to Germany. Let's put Germany here. So this is Germany. And once you are putting Germany here, the next thing now we need to do right now, we need to, under this category, we put a mobile install here. After you put a mobile install here, the bunch of mobile install under Germany is going to come out. Then for you to get the highest payout, under this payout now, you need to click, then up now. And you can see the first offer here, which is $12.83. But I don't hear Germany language. What I need to do right now, I will need to right click the something to, it's going to change the whole scenario to English. So once I change the whole scenario to English now, you can now see that that language has been changed to open the tip source app. So what you now need to do right now, you need to right click this one and let it come up now and see now. You can see that this thing is already coming up now. So it say open this TikTok app, install the app and open it for 30 seconds. So what he's saying now here, we want you to install this app. After you have installed this app, then you need to open it for just 30 seconds. After just 30 seconds, you're going to make $12.83. That's just the simple explanation and simple scenario. And you should understand that this offer is anybody or any traffic different from Germany that is going to attend this offer cannot convert to this one. So you can see here it says this offer is only allowed on Apple AIS, Germany. And for you to start promoting this offer right now, you need to click this affiliate links. Don't forget that I said I want to teach you, or I want to walk you through how you are going to get a lead generation from this CPA group. And for you to get a lead generation, we need to go to another platform. Now, this is the platform we are going to use to create this website that we are going to use to start running traffic to this TikTok application. You know already I told you that whoever installed this app, after installation, you need to open it for 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, you are going to make $12.83. So we need to come back to this website now. I've already composed a prompt. The prompt right now, by using the prompt I'm already composing now, I'm going to use these affiliate links, and even this offer is only allowed and Apple iOS and Germany. So the next thing I need to do right now, I come to this website and I put the prompt I already composed now. This is the uh, prompt now. If you see here right now, I say build a highly educational website about TikToks, explain what the TikToks app is, how it works, and how people can use it to grow their businesses, increase their traffic and earn money. Add a button and a call to action that allow users to install the TikToks and use these CPA links. So the CPA links I'm talking of now, this is the CPA links now, which is the affiliate link. Then when you come back here, you can see there I'm already, I already copy that link. I put it, and now said there, please note, this offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Germany. This is what I've copied. I copied that one here. This offer is only allowed on Apple I in Germany. So the next thing that we need to do right now is just to click build now. So this thing build now is going to take a little or much time before you can build this thing. Just exercise patience. Maybe I will be right back after you have built this website. Beautiful website that this AI I just created now. So let me scroll down now so for you yourself to see this beautiful website now. So what is now saying now, whenever anybody just say get TikToks now, then it's going to redirect them to come here. And the moment they're able to install this software and they open it after 30 seconds, they are going to make $12 83 cents. So now that's the simple explanation. I want to believe that you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this video, what you just need to do for me right now, you can see that I'm giving you a very informative and educational video. So just give me a like and as well give me a thumb up so that many people will get discover this video. And prevention, you are watching this channel for the first time, then you have not subscribed. What I want you to do right now, just subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. So whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So now, many of you guys will be wondering that how are we going to get a link to this website? What we need to do right now, we need to publish this website live. And for you to do that, you need to click this publish. When you click this publish, you need to click this one. And when you click this one right now, you're going to get the links here. So let's just allow it to open up. So guys, this is just the links now. You can see here right now that this is the links to the website now. Then, but I want to change this to another domain now. Just click this one. Then I just want to change this one right now. I change this one. When I get that one away, then I put two here. So the next thing I will need to do now, I just need to click save. Once I click save, it's going to save it now. You say you still want to make me to get that offer now. After that website is ready, I'm going to show you the final website copy. So just allow it to come up now. It's getting the domain. You want to get me the domain. After you has helping me getting the domain, I'm going to show you as well. So just allow it to complete this. It's a publishing your site. It will take a moment. So just allow it now. So just allow it. It's going to come up. So, you can see that it has finished the website publication now. So the next thing now you need to do right now is just to copy these links now. Let's copy these links. Once you have copied these links, this is the links here. When you copy this link, the next thing now you need to do right now, we need to go to another list, Google search bar. Let's open this Google search bar here. When we open this Google search bar here, let's put it here. And let's now click enter. Maybe the site is going to come up. Just allow it to come up. So it's still, as you can see now. So you can see this is a beautiful website. This AI has just created right now. So this is just the website now. Peradventure you have any issue with this website, you can easily change it now. So what is now happening now? The moment anybody just click this app here, it's going to take you back here. And the moment it takes you back here, and then you are able to install this app, and after 30 seconds, you're going to make $12, 83 cents. That's just a simple explanation. So this is your beautiful website now. So what is now means that whenever anybody just click get tiptoes now. It's going to bring you here. And the moment it brings you here, and the moment this tiptoes is going to be installed, after the installation, the traffic that installed that tickets and open it for 30 seconds. What you are going to make now, the payout now, you are going to make $12.83. So that's just the simple explanation for this CPA group. And they now haven't created your website now. What is now left for you right now is just to start promoting this website. This website can be promoted on any of our social media, maybe Facebook, maybe Instagram, Twitter, or Telegram group. These are the area you can you can even use to promote this your website. And prevention, you still have any questions, I want you to go to the comment section of this video. Put your questions there. And when I see those questions, I'm going to do justice to them. And I want to believe you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this video, what I want you to do for me right now, just give me a like and give me a thumb up so that many people will get discover this video. In as much as you are able to get this video, let your friends also get this video. How are they going to get this video? You need to share it, make a comment. Your comment is going to help me to even correct if there's any issue with this video. Then, if you want to learn more about this CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That is all for today. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And also, please share this video with your friend. Thanks for watching. I see you in my next video.